Hello there. So throughout your career, we have to make the right career move so that you have ongoing success. So in my Career Breakthrough Masterclass, I teach 3 key principles, and these principles underpin all the various programs that I run. Why? Because I've seen them consistently bring success. So the first thing that we cover is mindset. And I know a lot of people come and they go, I just want the practical steps. I don't want to know about all this mindset palaver. But here's what I've seen. When you don't handle the mindset, you can trip yourself up. So anxiety, stress, all of those things occur when you're job hunting or when you're going for a promotion or if you're trying to change careers or if you're wanting to get better income. And if you don't handle that, then you don't present confidently, whether it's in an interview or whether it's on paper or digitally. And that is going to stall your career success. The second thing I cover is how to sell yourself in a way that's appealing to the people that are going to make decisions about hiring you, about your career, about your income. You need to appeal to these people because they're decision makers, and how you appeal to them is to articulate your value. And how you articulate your value is to zone in and focus on your achievements that's going to demonstrate to them how and where you can contribute. And the third principle I cover is how to leverage networks and connections to build the kind of community around you so that you can have doors opened for you in your career. Because most of the jobs, 80% of the jobs are advertised or occur, not even advertised, but occur in the hidden job market. Only 20% are advertised on job boards. The remaining 80% happens through the referral system, the connections, and the networking system. And so really important to know how to do that. So mindset, how to sell yourself confidently by zoning in on your achievements and articulating your value, and how to leverage networking and connections so you always have doors open. So I look forward to seeing you on the class where you learn those 3 foundational principles that underpin all the right career moves for success.